Come test drive the 2017 Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.